Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can add a coming soon page without using any plugins. So basically, something like this. Now to add the coming soon page. Let's first log into our WordPress dashboard. We are already logged in. Since we will be using some custom codes, go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Go to Theme Functions. Scroll down. And we add our custom codes here. So here is our custom code. This part of the code is basically simple CSS. And you can customize it, choose the font family, font sizes, etc. And in this part, you can add an image. And this is for the coming soon text. And this is the text below, coming soon. You can edit this as you want. Now let me copy this code and paste it here. Let me also add an image here. For that, go to Media. Add new media file. Select Files. So this is the image I want to use. Now copy the URL of this image and replace it here. So this is all done. Update file. So this is done, since this code is only applied to non-logged in users. So let's open the site in incognito mode. So this is the coming soon page. To work on your site, you can easily log in and work on your website. After your site is complete, kindly remove the code from theme functions. Thank you very much.